Okay, rolling. Ah!
Try and get it tighter. And now come around to this side.
I'm melting.
I'm actually forging, guys. One last hopeful touch. Sorry.
Felt that.
Shit.
That's all right.
And I never claimed to be a very good editor. Is it still rolling? What are we at as far as seconds?
138.
Okay. I don't know if there's a limit on that time or not. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to twist this thing. I don't know how well it's going to work out, but... Damn. Not very well.
No, cools down too fast, huh?
Oh well. Maybe when I become a little bit better of a blacksmith. Although, not much of a blacksmith right now. But, I made a fork.
235.
What do you think, guys? Think it's worthy of a beginner project? Tell me in the comments. Talk to you guys later.